I heard you the first time. You just ask.
I don't want to ask. I want you to want to tell me.
What?
You look good in that shirt.
Very hard pass.
Sorry. You were so.
No, don't.
I'm just trying to.
Baby, I don't want to talk about it. I want to think about something else. Anything else. Okay? What? What's that face?
Them who?
No.
You said you want to think about something else. We're playing them who.
No, not in the
Them
mood.
who.
No, I'm
Them
not in the
who?
mood. We're in a restaurant.
Them who?
Really?
Them.
Okay. But I get to decide the question.
Deal. It's gonna be. How'd they meet? Were they fainting?
How'd they die?
Whoa. It's a dark plot twist.
See, I can be spontaneous also.
Well, how about you spontaneously serve me up one?
Over a couple. Okay.
Okay. They die at the same time, next to each other. It's forever in love.
Oh, God. Gross. You gotta stay off those sappy romance.
Your turn, tough guy.
Alright, make it good.
Let's do the young couple. 7 o'clock.
Okay. They get T-boned by a fire truck. She dies. He survives, but he has severe injuries. Like rest of his life type stuff.
Okay. You're really into this.
Yeah, okay. 2 tables over. Yeah. Ho, ho, ho.
Okay. Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus.
'Tis the season. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm gonna get coal in my stocking first.
Mm-hmm.
I think she dies before him.
Okay.
He lives till he's 80. She dies of a heart attack.
Ooh, I see what you did there.
Right, good. Honey, honey, honey.
Oh, you okay, sir? Oh, thanks, sir. Thank you. Oh,
Oh, oh,
heart attack.
Oh, jeez.
oh,
Honey.
oh.
Ma'am.
Baby, it was a coincidence. It was just a coincidence. That's all it was. Paramedics came and got her. Sure, she's okay. She's okay. She's okay.
Let's see if it's on the local news.
The local news won't cover that. They only cover accidents.
Why?
Yes, I'm live on the scene in Frenchburg, where police have set up a perimeter following a multi-car accident involving an elderly couple and a young adult couple. Eyewitnesses tell me that a fire truck ran through a red light, striking two vehicles, and fatalities have been confirmed at this time. The elderly couple and the young adult female did not survive the crash. A young adult male is being airlifted as we speak to the nearest trauma center. It's a very tragic end to what should have been a joyous holiday weekend. I'm Angela Atkins reporting live in Frenchburg, 36 News.